Hey everyone, welcome back to Globe Pulse Facts. Today we're talking about the top 5 sustainable tech innovations in 2025. These are technologies designed to help the planet and improve our future. Let's get started. First up, solar roof panels have become thinner, cheaper, and way more powerful. Companies like Tesla and others are now making solar shingles that look like regular roof tiles, but generate electricity from sunlight. These are helping homes run on clean energy without needing big panels. Second, we have smart water purifiers that save water while cleaning it. These devices use AI to detect dirty water and only filter when needed. That means less power used and less water wasted. Perfect for areas with water shortages. Third is a game changer. AI recycling robots. These robots can now detect, pick, and sort trash faster than humans. They help recycling plants separate plastic, metal, and paper more accurately, which means more waste gets reused and less ends up in landfills. At number 4, we have eco-friendly batteries. New batteries in 2025 are made from salt, sand, and even recycled aluminum. These are safer, last longer, and don't damage the environment like old lithium batteries. And finally, green 3D printing is booming. Instead of plastic, companies are using biodegradable materials like cornstarch, mushrooms, and even recycled ocean plastic. This makes 3D printed products safer for nature and still useful in industries like fashion, health, and construction. So that's it. The top 5 sustainable tech innovations of 2025. These technologies aren't just cool. They're helping to solve real problems like pollution, waste, and energy. If you want to see more videos on smart tech and future facts, hit the like button, subscribe to Globe Pulse Facts, and let us know in the comments which tech you like the most.